This video's for Crystal. I don't even know, like, I think I met you freshman year, but I'm not really sure how. Maybe you remember, but, I don't know. We need to hang out, because I miss hanging out. Like, we hung out, like, a couple times this year, but not really. And, like, I hope you don't think I get mad when you don't say hi to me in the hallway, because I don't get mad. I'm just like, you never say hi to me anymore, because I miss you saying hi to me. Like, we used to be, like, better friends than we are this year, but I feel like if we start talking, then we'll be, like, closer again, because, I mean, we had a good relationship. Like, it's not hard to fix a good relationship, you know? So, I don't know, I consider you one of my good friends. Like, I remember that one day when it was me, you, and Kylie at the park, and that little girl was there, and she, like, peed on herself, and she, like, was, like, chasing us around, trying to throw grass on us and stuff. Like, that was so funny. That was, like, the funniest day of my life. And then I tried to take your bracelet, and you, like, beat the crap out of me, and then got grass stains in my freaking pants. And we didn't even hang out, like, ever since then, like, we didn't even hang out. Wait. I think we hung out, like, one day when that Julian kid was there, and you had your dog. Your dog is so cute. I'm not even kidding. I freaking love your dog. It's like the cutest dog in the world, and it was, like, eating my Funyuns. I don't know why. But, yeah. Me and you need to hang out, like, ASAP, because I haven't hung out with you in so long. Like, it's kind of weird, but I don't know. I need to start saying hi to you in the hallway. I always make you say hi to me, and then I'm like, you never say hi to me, but I never even say hi to you. I guess it works both ways, huh? I guess I need to take my own advice. But, yeah, start saying hi to me, I'll start saying hi to you, and, like, we need to, like, text and figure out when we're gonna hang out, because we need to kick it. Because you're hella funny, and we have, like, the weirdest, like, whenever we hang out, like, the weirdest things happen to us. I'm not even kidding, but it's super funny, like, yeah, so, I don't know, maybe one of these days we'll hang out at the park or something. But, yeah, hit me up, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. Alright, well, I just want to know that you're hella chill. Love you, alright, bye.